Sean, I have one on North Korea, but I'd like to follow up on healthcare there.
Yeah.
You were around when Republicans were criticizing Democrats back in the day of Obamacare for it being, as you put it fairly recently, jammed down people's throats. You said it was rushed, it was secretive, that was the criticism. So how is what's happening now with this bill getting crafted, frankly, behind closed doors, any different from what Republicans criticized Democrats for doing?
I think we wanted to be part of the process back then. If you look at what
Democrats part of the process
you look at what Senator Schumer said both in February to a MoveOn.org call, where he said that no Democrats going to go near this, and what he said in a letter in May 9th, that he said that no Democrats would be part of an effort that would repeal Obamacare. So they have chosen to take themselves not make themselves part of this process. There is, when Senator McConnell brings the bill forward, I'm sure that there'll be plenty of time to have debate. It's the Senate. There's always plenty of time to debate.
He's talking about voting next week.
Well, okay, but again, I'm not going to get ahead of. I'll let Senator McConnell determine the Senate schedule and run the Senate that he sees fit. But let's not mistake ourselves with how they approach this thing. Their leader, Senator Schumer, made it very clear on at least 2 separate occasions that they didn't want to be part of this process. They didn't want to repeal and replace Obamacare. They were happy with Obamacare. We believe Obamacare is failing. We want a better system for the American people, a patient-centric healthcare system that brings down costs and gives more accessibility to people. That's it. They chose not to, made it very clear that they didn't want to engage in this process. So, to turn around now and to second guess, that's something they should take up with their own leader.